Good afternoon, dear partners. My name is Germán Caicedo. We are students of English Bachelor as a Foreign Language in the Open and Distance National University, UNAD. This course is Advanced English 1. Task 5, creating a lecture. This group is the third group. Jenny, welcome.
Oh, thank you, German. My name is Jenny Gomez, and I study at the same university. And well, I'm here. We started the conference. So the next one is Laura.
Hi everyone, my name is Laura Carval Correa. This is my partner, and we're here to invite you to this conference.
Okay, Jorge, please, welcome.
Hi, my name is Jorge Hernán Galvis. I am from Manizales.
Okay, Jorge, and Julian.
Okay.
Hello, everybody. My name is Julian Andres Correa. I am a student in the UNAD. I am a student of the course Advanced English 1. I am very happy because we are talking about this topic is very, very important.
Okay, Julian. Start, Jenny, please.
Okay, I will do the introductions of the topic. So now, okay, I would like to do the introduction for this topic. Okay. So today we are here with the intention of talking about a particular uses, racism and police brutality, especially in the United States. Encouraged by the example of the heroic struggle of the people against the institutionalized system, and in a power of quality and justice in a climate of democracy, development and respect for the human rights, recalling in this regard the important contribution of the international community to the struggle, and in particular the central role of the peoples and governments. And nothing important, the roles of different agents of civil society, including non-governmental organizations, in this struggle and in the sport to continue to be made to combat the racism, racial discriminations, xenophobia, and related intolerance.
Okay, Jenny. And how can you combat racism, racial discrimination, xenophobia, and related intolerance?
Okay, thank you, Lyra, for the question. I believe that from schools, children should be taught that we are all equal, that we are a race, humans, and we must respect others. My answer is word from the base. Thank you.
Thank you, Jenny. And the event that happened in the United States was brutality, and the use of excessive force by the police has been one of the central themes of campaigns on human rights violation in the United States. Today, we see a specific case of the death of George Floyd in police custody that has caused angry protests in Minneapolis and other U.S. cities.
Hello, Laura.
Hi.
What what do you think of the violation of the human right, especially in the force used by the police?
Okay, I think the insights of insecurity and violence, as well as the abuse of the police force and the constant violation of human rights, make it necessary to rethink the police function with a perspective based on human rights and a new conception of public ethics. Strengthening the aspect preventive, which consists in preventing human rights violation and from being commitment in the exercise of the police function. Below the instruments of reaction and reparation, they are available. Okay,
Okay.
Herman. Okay, Jorge, what do you think about this?
The problem of racism has happened for a long time in the many countries. In the United States, a white policeman named Derek kicked George Floyd on the floor until he caused his death. About this topic, I do not agree because the lives of the all people must be respected.
Okay, George. What do you think could be the solution to avoid this kind of situations in the United States of America and around the world?
Okay, Herman. I think that teaching in most children respect and equality and imposing more severe penalties on adults who commit acts like one presented in the United States.
Okay. On the other hand, people is protesting and asking for justice, for social justice, justice in this case, and social justice in general. But it's not the same make to to peaceful and social protest than the damage and disaster in the cities and destroying cars, shops, and public places. I think that violence is not the correct response because they can show their unconformism through mobilizations and social protests, inclusive cultural protests, social medias, and so on. But fighting against the police officers is not the correct answer for this problem. It's not the destroying the city how improve the things. These activities produce more violence, hate, and resentment between police and African American people.
Well, I agree about all of you say. Okay, Julian, what do you think what about the topic?
Okay, Herman, what do you think that in the United States there is such hatred and resentment towards black people? It must be organized that there are people with money gifts and good things that help society, but why this spread?
Okay, I think this hate is only a cultural tradition of ignorance. Since the days of the slavery, some people judge another people for the skin color. Inclusive this racism is not only against African American people. For example, against Mexican people or in general Latin American people, against Indian people, Chinese people, Middle Eastern people. All these people in America suffer for the same situation of violence and xenophobia. This is an stupid nationalist feeling because some radical white people in America think that the country is owner. They are the owner of the hair of the country. Then they they was like an enemy people from other races or other nationalities. Besides, some police officers having one uniform and they think that they are above of the rest of the people, above of the civilians. Then they think they they have the possibility to abuse of their power. This is a difficult cultural situation. Then it's necessary a cultural change in the society in America to change the situation.
Okay, very important your report, Herman. Okay, I think that what happens even today, we with all this difficult is very sad. I also think it's the absence of good in your health because when one really knows good, the life change. Okay. In conclusion, I I think very important this topic. Mm, it's prudent. Um, it's prudent to say that in ending racism is a consonant structure that will never endure to the neglect and sentimental of is very important of many people from politicians, managers, and bosses. But I must be a collective effort that lets you to be a safe mindset, multicultural, and above all, fair society based on values.
Okay, good. Julian, I have a question for you.
Okay.
If you had to instruct a child about quality and respect, what would you teach them?
Okay. Thank you for your question, Jenny. Despite the fact that students must already arrive with the people from their homes, it's very important that we as teachers focus on that. I think that before training professionals, we must train integral people, good people, for this world that lies so many difficulties. That surely I will teach a child with videos and with an act of honesty, solidarity, and empathy with the people.
Okay, I agree with that. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, this is all. This is the finish of our lecture. Thanks for watching. Bye, partners.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you.
See you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Okay.
You too.